The only purpose is love. February 8, 2014. Greetings, dear ones. We bring to you today a message about purpose. So many of you wish to know why you are here and what the point of all of this is. The answer simply is love. You are here to discover what stirs your passion, and to do that now. You are here to align with and to allow in the divine vibration of love, and to do that now. You are here to follow your bliss and to do that which brings a smile to your lips and a tear of joy to your eye, and to do that now. You have become so adept at the 3D way of living through struggle and strife and through battling the nature of duality that you have forgotten the simplest of truths. Love is all that there is. Love is all that is eternal. Everything else is but a measurement of how much love there is in any moment. The only way for you to engage in your true purpose is to use love as the way to engage with all that you encounter. Even in the perception of darkness or anger or deception or lies, there is only ever a measurement of love. It is always only a matter of either how much love is here now, or how much room there is for more love now. We understand that there is still fear or hesitation within your energetic fields as to what you are to do. We see it lit up within you. There are still many of you who fear doing the wrong thing or taking a step in the wrong direction. Yet we remind you that the only thing that allows for the manifestation of wrongness is your perception of it. From the divine perspective, there is no wrong or right, there is no bad or good, there is only love, and the room for more love. We will say to you again, that all paths lead to the top of the mountain, and even though a specific path may have more twists and turns than another path, they are all leading to the same place. Do you not see that the perception that you can't do something or aren't ready for something or do not have the ability or power or resources to do something is the illusion? That is what separation is, that is what the true concept of your idea of hell is. It is only your continuing to buy into the illusion that you are unworthy or incapable that allows that illusion to continue. Do you have a pen and a piece of paper? Then you have all that is required to create a beautiful work of art or a masterpiece novel. Do you have a voice? Then you have all that is required to sing a magical song or speak to any who will listen about the truth of love. Do you have a body that you can freely move? Then you have all that is required to begin a dance of joy. The first step on a path will lead you to where you long to go. The first word spoken will lead you to your truth. It is impossible for you to separate yourself from the endless stream of abundance and joy that is your birthright, for the sheer act of being in your human body right now ensures that you are in that stream. The only other thing that is important is whether you are choosing to go with or against that flow. The only thing that is meaningful is whether or not you are taking but a sip or if you are taking gulp after gulp of the flow of love that you are all a part of now. We know that you long for and ache to know so many things. We feel your hearts bursting with the desire for the rest of your planet to know what you know, to see what you see, to believe what you believe, to feel what you feel. And yet we ask you, what if everyone woke up tomorrow and looked to the skies and saw something that would change your history forever? We say it would matter not, for you would still have to take action to live the life you desire to live. It would change nothing, for you would still have to put your feet upon the ground to take the steps required to claim that which is already yours. We have said and will continue to say, dear ones, that no thing, no one, no body, no book, no information, no person, no leader, no sign, no anything is coming to save you. Ascension is an internal process. The world cannot and will not change if you do not decide to begin the change now. There is no when, or if, or future, or tomorrow. There is only now. The love that is directly at your feet, that is right at your fingertips, that is waiting for you to accept it, is here now. The power you have wished you had is within you now. Worry not about who has and who has not. For their path is of their choosing. Worry not about the what-ifs and the what-abouts. We want to remind you that all who are here, on this beautiful planet, in this moment now, are living out the lives to the exact specifications that they agreed to live out before they came down to experience this life. The ones who are afraid, agreed to live in fear, The ones who seem to control, agreed to play the role of controller. The ones who seem to wait, agreed to be the one who waits. All have their own path that is lived separately and yet simultaneously with yours. You are the center of, and the creator of your own universe of reality. All have their moment on the timeline that they have chosen when they will decide what is next for them. All of the worry and the strife and the struggle in the world cannot and will not ever take one from the path they have chosen. Free will is divine law, and all of you are divine, and innately understand that you are living the path you chose to come here and live. Take a step now and the path will lead you to that which you desire. Find the things that fill you with joy and love and passion and fun, and the first step will take you to the second step, which will take you to the third. When you affirm that you are ready to make your move, the universe will rearrange itself to open up the path for you now. If you choose to stay and sit and wait and wonder, then we lovingly say to you that we hope your seat is comfortable. For no one can move that which is immovable within themselves. You are a powerful, divine being with abilities beyond your belief, and until the joyous moment that you decide to claim that power, it shall humbly, lovingly and eternally stay right at your side, waiting for the day that you decide to pick it up and wield it with all of the love in your heart. Not a moment sooner. Do it now or do not, for we remind you that all is eternal and there is no time. For the Creator, the blink of an eye can stretch for 1,000,000 lifetimes, and there will still be love enough to spare. What are you waiting for, dear ones? The purpose, the point, the reason is love. That is all there is, and that is all there ever will be. Until next time, in love and light we leave you. Rejoice. The Lighted Ones. Channeled by Andrew Martin. www.andrewmartinartist.com